Are you looking for the ultimate thrill in the Philippines? The country offers an amazing mix of world-class amusement parks. Let us start our journey in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Enchanted Kingdom stands as the premier theme park of the nation. Brace yourself for the extreme twists of the Space Shuttle coaster. Do not miss Aguila, a massive flying theater showing local wonders. Next, we head straight into the heart of Metro Manila. Star City brings thrilling rides into a comfortable indoor setting. You can experience real snow inside their freezing winter pavilion. If you travel south, Cebu welcomes you to Anjo World. It is currently the largest vibrant amusement park in the Visayas. Now, let us explore the famous Sky Ranch outdoor destinations. Sky Ranch Tagaytay offers chilly weather and stunning volcanic views. Their massive Ferris wheel takes you high into the clouds. Up north, Central Luzon holds its own massive entertainment hubs. Aquaplanet in Clark features over 38 world-class water slides. Right next door, Dinosaurs Island brings prehistoric giants to life. For modern digital art, J Castles in Batangas is stunning. It features brilliant light installations perfect for your social media. Pack your bags and experience the magic of Philippine parks today.